built Insights Plus to give senior leaders in hospitality the ability to track their key metrics both against their own estate and against their competitors. When presenting results, we were often asked, what does good look like? And now with data from over 600 plus multi-site operators, this is the tool you need to make informed decisions at a board level. You can create customised dashboards for you and your team and set them to automate to arrive in your inbox either daily, weekly or monthly. These reports have been designed so that you can gain actionable insights on the metrics that really matter. So firstly, there's footfall tracking in and around your venue. Then there's dwell time for enriching guest personas. Thirdly is the benchmarking for your own venues. So identify which venues, for example, are performing really well from a loyalty point of view and which maybe need a bit more support. And then finally, the juicy one, benchmarking against your competitors. How are your peers performing? How do your results stack up? And most importantly, what's the impact of your marketing campaigns? So on to footfall. This data allows you to track the flow of footfall in and around your venue and see how it differs by day of week and day part. As a marketeer, it's really crucial that you can measure the impact of your campaigns. And so with this information, you can prove that you're encouraging more people to walk in than walk past. One example of this is to trial signage. See the impact that vinyls and new A-boards have before investing in a full rollout across the estate. And for ops teams, make informed decisions based on information that you can see in the footfall graphs. Is there enough footfall, for example, to warrant opening earlier? Wireless social footfall informs multiple teams, not just marketing. Dwell time is calculated by the moment we first see the guest device to the moment it's no longer in range, and it really helps you to understand more about your guest behaviour. You can track dwell time by day of week to understand when your guests are staying longer, and then check that this correlates with increased spend. There's also a venue comparison view to see how dwell time differs across your locations. Along with footfall, this is a really valuable tool for ops teams. Benchmarking your own venues gives you the information you need to identify areas of opportunity, effectively allocate resources, identify best practices, set targets, and develop strategies for improvement. The benchmark graphs are customizable. You choose your metric, select your date range, and then decide whether you want to view all venues or a preset group to help apply context to the results. You can choose from a selection of key metrics, including opt-in rate, new user rate, repeat rate, average logins per user, and footfall. The second benchmark feature is where you can compare your key metrics against the industry as a whole or by sector. Once you've selected your sector view, metric you wish to look at, and date range, you have the foundations of a benchmark graph, and next you can supercharge it. Why not add a time period comparison so you can see how your position has changed compared to the previous period or same period last year? This next setting allows you to customise the colours. You can either choose your main brand colour to get consistency with your other reporting, or use a traffic light system to separate bad from good from great. And then the final layer you can add is age range. To understand the behavioural differences of your customers by their age demographic, click on the drop-down called All Users. In this example, you can see new user rate for 18 to 24-year-olds in your business compared with your competitors.